Welcome to DK Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest, smartest, and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about innovation and travel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a single feature-packed review. Today we take a deep dive into one of the most futuristic motorhomes of the year, the 2026 Tesla Nova. A bold leap into electric luxury RV, the Nova is redefining the boundaries of what a mobile home can be. The 2026 Tesla Nova is built on a modified extended Tesla Cybertruck platform, offering a commanding presence on and off the road. Its design remains unmistakably Tesla, featuring sleek lines, adaptive LED lighting, solar-integrated glass panels on the roof, and retractable side panels that expand the living space at the touch of a button. The lightweight but durable aluminum alloy body provides strength and efficiency while keeping aerodynamics in mind. Under the hood, the Nova is powered by Tesla's next-gen tri-motor setup with all-wheel drive, delivering over 850 horsepower. The Nova can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 4.5 seconds, which is extraordinary for a vehicle of this size. A massive 200 kWh battery pack gives it a real-world range of approximately 500 miles, while its advanced solar charging system contributes up to 50 miles per day in ideal conditions. Tesla's V5 supercharging compatibility allows an 80% charge in under 20 minutes, making it truly road trip ready. Inside, the Nova showcases Tesla's vision of a mobile smart home. The interior is fully modular with high-end vegan leather, bamboo wood accents, and ambient lighting throughout. The motorhome comfortably sleeps up to 5 adults and includes a queen-size Murphy bed, a convertible dining area, and a bunk bed zone. The living space also features a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, smart fridge, convection oven, and touchless faucet. The bathroom includes a dry flush toilet, a standing shower, and a smart water recycling system. The Nova's cockpit is centered around Tesla's 18-inch infotainment display, running on Tesla OS with deep integration for vehicle and home control. You can manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and navigation using voice commands or the Tesla mobile app. A 360-degree camera system and full self-driving capability make maneuvering and highway cruising stress-free. Starlink satellite connectivity ensures you're always online, even off the grid. Additional features include Level 2 autonomy, adaptive air suspension, climate zone control, and an extendable deck with outdoor seating. It also supports bi-directional charging, allowing it to power other devices or even your home in emergencies. The 2026 Tesla Nova is more than just a motorhome. It is a technological sanctuary on wheels, crafted for those who demand comfort, power, and sustainability. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or just want to live smarter and greener, the Nova delivers on every front. This was DK Car Reviews, bringing you tomorrow's motorhomes today. If you enjoyed this review and want more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next review.